So we have now our next speaker join, Mr. Anand Kumar, and he's founder of Super 30. And it is really kind. He's traveling, and the moment he now checked in a hotel, and then he is joining. Over to you, Anandji. Are you there?
Thank you very much, Rahman Sahab. I am very happy. So I am telling that I really want to thank the organizer, especially Shah Sahab, for such wonderful program. I really feel honored that he thought of inviting me, a simple teacher like me, to speak before a galaxy of speakers, including the renowned mathematician from renowned university where I could not study, that is Cambridge University. Cambridge has always been a dream university for me, and everybody knows that I could not study in Cambridge University despite getting admission due to only a scarcity of money. Getting an opportunity to speak before a great scholar, Dr. Matthews, is like a dream come true for me. Today is Teachers' Day. Everyone knows that today is Teachers' Day. In India, September 5 is an important day when people pay respect to their teachers, their mentors. Speaking on Teachers' Day makes it truly special for me. I am telling something with my heart, from my heart. I may not have got an opportunity to study in Cambridge University, but I became what I always wanted to become since childhood. I used to love teaching even as a child. When I was in class 6, I remember how a Sikh family living near my house came to know about my interest in mathematics and asked me to teach his 2 children studying in class maybe 3 or 4. I started teaching them and really enjoyed it. Though I was myself a child then, the children also enjoyed it. After 2 or 3 days, the kids wished me, "Pranam sir." They told me, "Pranam sir." It was an overwhelming experience that I still cherish more than any award or recognition. I felt that day that I had become a teacher, I was a special feeling which I cannot describe in words. Since that day, I made a resolve to become a teacher. A teacher's responsibilities is to raise the curiosity of a student, satisfy them, and give them innovative solution to keep them interested. I could not go to Cambridge University and studied in Patna University. After the death of my father, the responsibility of family fell on my young soldiers. Yet, I kept following my dream to become a teacher despite all kinds of odds. I started my program Super 30 to help a student like me chase their goal. Nowadays, many of a students are in very good institution, in very good country, doing well even in America, England, Canada, and other parts of the world. And one of them also reached Cambridge University. Her name is Monica Gupta. Even during COVID-19, when our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji announced lockdown, I kept the teacher in me alive to connect with the student. I took to Twitter and social media. I started columns on mathematics in various kind of newspapers, mainly in Dainik Jagran, Bharat Times. I started getting a lot of feedbacks from readers. I gave them problem to solve and they responded. A lot has changed due to COVID-19. And now we have to accept the change and move on. Twice I got opportunity to speak at Cambridge University in last 2 or 3 years. I got a lot of requests to teach in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, and other foreign countries. But it was not possible due to only distance. The COVID-19 pandemic gave me the opportunity to connect with them all. A teacher's job is to create the quest for learning. The pandemic has taught us how to reach out to more and more students. I had earlier planned to expand my program Super 30 for 100, 200, 300 students and start a school for a student from class 6 to 12. But now this period has made me realize that I could use my energy to reach out to a student across the country and beyond. With the help of available technology, I promise I will extend whatever help I can with the help of technology to DDA students across the world. What is required? To use technology to bring out new dimensions of teaching to make it fun for the student. Teaching online with the same blackboard and pen and paper will not do. Teacher also need to innovate with technology. Technology was never so important a part of daily life as it has become today. Mobile has no in a school. But today, mobile phones are running schools, taking them to every home. That has been the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, which has forced people indoors to be safe. I remember last time we had met at Cambridge University and Sas Sahab was always with me. He helped me a lot. I am obliged you, Sas Sahab. You are really a great person. You are scientist. You are mathematician, whatever. Despite it, you are a great man with big heart. I am telling
Likewise,
truth behind all of you. These circumstances are such that we cannot meet physically, but still we can interact and do everything that we would have done meeting in person. That is the power of technology. It can reduce the distance and make the world a global village. During the pandemic, I have personally experienced the power of technology, which helped me not only stay connected with a student, but also gave me experiences that is more diverse and enriching. It has been a learning experience, not only for me, for all also. So, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I want to say every teacher should do hard labor for their student because future of the world is in your hand. So thank you very much again, Rahman Sahab, for giving me a chance to speak in this seminar. Thank you very much.
No, it's really kind of you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, he's traveling, and then so can we start with Professor Matthias now? Yeah,
can we have questions?
Yes, please. Yeah, carry on. Professor Asif has a question. Yeah.
Namaste,
Namaste.
Dr. Kumar. First of all, we're both from Patna.
Yes.
And Patna University, I know well. One of my great uncle was the principal president of Patna, who was also the lead for India's Olympic team long time ago. Anyway, but I wanted to ask you two things. One was to if you know of Sal Khan Academy, but it may be something you might want to look at. So back nearly a decade ago, he set up initially for mathematics, actually in the US, this digitalized learning, and now it's now global, and they do everything in medicine, mathematics, engineering. So you should look that up. Khan Academy, Khan Academy. And the other question, I just had a question for you, is about do you think mathematics should be made fun, and how could it be made fun so that girls start to think about mathematics, because majority of girls, including my own daughter who's just about to go to medical school, always moved away from mathematics. Whereas my father used to make me all summer do maths, and I was not very good at math. But by doing a lot, you get better at it.
Yeah, it's an Asian thing also. Like,
thank you very much for your question. I told earlier that now I am interested to expand my program Super 30 with the help of online. So with the help of technology. And you told about Salman Khan. I know him very well. He did a lot of good job in the field of online education. So in India, now internet is available in every part of India. So it is our duty, teachers' duty, to reach out them with education, good education, not in only English or Hindi, maybe in Maghi, Bhojpuri, in local language, so that we can teach underprivileged students who have never chance to learn something. And second thing, that I always try to teach mathematics in interesting way. I created two characters, Bholu and Ricky, and I saw that Bholu is very humble and simple boy, while Ricky comes from rich family. But a problem comes on his screen. I always use a multimedia projector to teach all the students. So a problem come on multimedia projector, and first of all, Ricky comes and solve the problem and ask, Bholu, you are from poor family, you have no good education, how can you solve it? Then Bholu replies that I can solve it by 6 or 7 different methods. And Bholu always shows the 6 various methods, different methods, and provide multiple solutions of a single problem. So this is my style. So I always want to motivate our student by creating some characters, by telling some story. And nowadays I am also focusing on the girls students. In Bihar, it is very difficult to convince the parents to send their girls student to the school in Super 30 program, but we always try and we succeeded. One of my students, Nidhi Jha, her father was auto rickshaw driver, is now good engineer and working in L&T. And second student, Pragya Verma, is working as a scientist in Minnesota University. So a lot of examples we have that girls did very good. She needs always opportunity. फर्क नहीं पड़ता कौन हिंदू, कौन मुस्लिम, कौन सिख, कौन ईसाई. If we provide them opportunity, they will accept. Thank you very much.
That's great, excellent. So Anandji, do you have time, or we can take one more question, or you would like to leave?
So I can reply one more question.
Yes. So does we have any question?
I could talk to him for a long time, but never mind.
Okay, yeah. So no, I like the same question. Like maybe you have answered.
आपको बिहारी में बोलेंगे.
Oh, excellent. Yeah.
I would like to ask one question to Mr. Anand, if it is possible.
Yes, please. Khazi.
Yeah, Mr. Anand, first of all, it is an honor to listen to you speak directly. I wish I could meet you and shake your hand. You are a superstar for me, by the way. And secondly, I just wanted to ask you, have you worked with CSR? I mean, any corporations who supported you by CSR?
I feel also honored to speak before you.
Yes.
And it is honor for me. Thank you very much for your kind words. And I want to tell you that a lot of offer I got earlier, even from Mukesh Ambani, Anand Mahendra Saab, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Chief Minister of India, they offered me for help regarding money, but I politely refused them. No, there is no need of money. We generate money ourselves by tutoring some students in evening classes, and they give me some money, and this is only source to survive us and our student. So I never took any money from CSR program or from any other agency, because we want to prove if you have keen desire to do something for society, so support will be not important. Your desire is important.
Very important.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anandji. Thank you very much. I mean, you gave time and you have always been a good advisor.